Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a rich and delicious Achi soup. I'll show you step by step how to cook this flavorful soup in no time. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. But before we start cooking, let's introduce our key ingredients to this delicious Achi soup. So this is our chicken, palm oil, fresh pepper, Uziza leaves, and here is our salt, seasoning cube, and cumin spice, and of course the star of the show, our Achi powder, our crayfish, and finally our fresh fish. So now we have everything ready, let's get cooking. So first, in a clean pot, add your chicken, then season with seasoning cubes, salt, and fresh pepper. Give it a little stir to mix everything well. Now cover the pot and let it cook on medium heat until the chicken releases its natural juices. This will help lock in all the flavors before adding more ingredients. Once the juices are out, we'll move on to the next step. Now that our chicken has released its juices, let's add in 2 cups of water to help it cook thoroughly. We will let this cook for about 5 minutes until the meat is nice and tender. So now our meat is now cooked. Next we are adding in palm oil for that rich traditional flavor. Next, we are going to add our dissolved achi. I dissolved this achi within a plate and I added some water. So we use water to dissolve our achi. So next, I'm going to add our Ogiri Igbo for that deep, authentic taste. We will stir everything together and let it boil for about 7 minutes so all the flavors can blend perfectly. It's already smelling amazing. So after 7 minutes, I'm going to be adding our Uziza leaves, followed by our crayfish. Our crayfish gives this soup that rich flavor. At this point, it's time to taste for seasoning. So I'm adding 1 more seasoning cube for extra depth and some fresh pepper for that spicy kick. Finally, go in with your fish and we will let this cook for another 5 minutes. And then our achi soup is ready. This soup is simple, easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it at home, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a tasty recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.